Hey guys, so the first thing you'll probably notice between this video and my last video is that the background will be a background that you know, and that's better. And that is because I'm currently home because I was not smart and forgot some stuff at home. So yeah, and anyways, I have my monthly, I have my monthly subscription box right in front of me. So, oh no, I'm trying to do it so I don't show you guys my address and all that. Okay, there we go. Thus, I've got my monthly subscription box here. So I thought, since I'm home, why not open it with you guys? So, yeah, let's do it. So I just have my keys here. I'm just gonna open up the package. Maybe my friend would laugh at me because I can't open up a package. You know who you are. It's just my brand, don't hate. Oh no, I really can't open it. She's gonna laugh at me when I tell her that. Okay, I almost got it. And then it's cause they like redid the packaging. I promise. Miss, you know who you are. I can't open it because they redid the packaging on these. I like quite literally can't get in this thing. Aha, I did it. Okay. So ready? Once again, you open the box. That's what the inside of it looks like. Sorry if it's a little dark. But I'm like trying here. I'm trying real hard. So yeah, so there's the inside of the package. Whoop whoop. So this is called Beauty School, and this is the August 2018 one. Oh my gosh. There's like a pop quiz on the back, and that's cool. Okay, so now on the inside, so this is what all the products are, so I'm going to be reading off of that for you guys, but let's look at this first. So this is this month's bag. It just says back to beauty school, so it's like really cute. So yeah, as always, let's just get right into it. I'm just going to pull products out as I go. We'll go from there. Ooh, okay, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and it's a lightweight gel that defines brows and holds them in place all day. So it's just like a tube of brow gel, which I actually am excited to use this because I've never used any Anastasia products. So next, I have this Makeup Forever. Ooh, this is also a new brand. Haha. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever lipstick in... This is the Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in C211. I can't get this open. I did it. There's the little bottle. Ooh, I have multiple lipsticks this color. For the record, you can't even see this, so hold up. Hi, let me flip you around. So this is the color of it. And this is like the color of multiple of my lipsticks, so I already know it's gonna be good, so yeah. Oh, I moved the camera. And it like gets dark like really weirdly, so I gotta like brighten it like real. There we go. So now the background looks like washed out, but whatever. Whatever, not my problem. I mean, it kind of is, but I'm not dark anymore, so. So next is this, which is the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And if anyone knows, if you watch some of my other videos, I have the mini size of the Hoola Bronzer. I have it in a palette, and now I have this. So this is literally the third thing of Hoola that I own. And it's in the, oh my god, this packaging's so cute. Like, it's plastic, but it's so freaking cute. Okay. Moving on. And this is like a #1 seller like the best-selling bronzer that Sephora has. So yeah. They also make a light one, but this one is amazing, and you can also put it like in your crease of your eyes, and oh my gosh, it does wonders. So next, this is the Living Proof TBD multitasking stylers styling cream. So you can use it on wet or dry hair. Nice. It's just what it looks like. It's just like a little tube. I wonder what it smells like. I don't know, so let's open it and find out if I can open it. I hate these things because sometimes you can. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, next is, so this is also a bestseller from Sephora. So this is the bonus one this month, and is the Owa, I don't know, hair care. It's the shampoo, it's the repair shampoo and conditioner. Yeah. Next is a mask, and this is gonna be amazing because it is Origin's retexturizing mask with rose clay. Origins is amazing. This is like almost a standard like size product, almost. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, so yeah, so those are all the products this month. I'm obviously gonna take the quiz that's on this. Actually, why not do it now, right? Okay. Actually, no, I'm not going to. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is a short video, like always, because there's 6 products, and I mean, you get good bang for your buck. So, you know, as always, in the description box, I will link to where you can subscribe to the Beauty Box, so check that out down below. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to like this video, as well as comment down below as to what videos you would like to see. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
It's not just me, no, you feel it too. You know and I know we lost a lot, oh. It's like our love cut the line in two.